Hello and welcome. This is lesson 19 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn about the Barahakadi of the. Alright? The. Now, we know about the 12 vowels of Hindi: a, I, e, u, e, I, o, and aha. And we know about the consonants too, right? We know that we get different sounds when we add a half consonant to a vowel, and that is what we've been doing till now. We have been adding different half consonants or root consonants to different vowels, and we've been seeing what sounds we get. In this video, we will see what sounds we get when we add this half consonant to all these vowels. Alright? So let us start with the first letter, the. 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 And you get this sound the when you add the to a. The plus a equal to the. The plus a equal to the. The plus a equal to the. And the pronunciation is like THE. The word the itself. Okay? The. THE. The word the itself. Alright? Let us see how to write the. Okay? Once again. Yeah. That is the. The next sound is da. Da. Da, and you get this sound da when you add the to a. The plus a equal to da. The plus a equal to da. Da. And pronunciation is like da in Sardar. 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 Okay. I was not able to get an English example, so I have taken examples of Hindi. Alright, all through the video you will see examples for pronunciation in Hindi. Alright, although if you know any English examples, then you can type it in the comment box below so that it can help to the viewers who are from a different country. Alright, let us see how to write da. Okay. Once again, yeah, that is the. The is the next sound. The, and you get this sound the when you add the to e. The plus e equal to the. The plus e equal to the. The, and the is pronounced like THI in this. This. This, this. Alright? Let us see how to write the. Okay, once again. Yeah. The next sound is the. The, and you get this sound the when you add the to e. The plus e equal to the. The plus e equal to the. The, and pronunciation is like DEE in Pradeep. Pradeep is an Indian name. Pradeep. Pradeep. Deep. It is not deep, not the. The we have already studied, right? It is not the. It is the. Deep. Pradeep. Okay? Let us see how to write the. Okay. Yeah. Next is do. Do, and you get this sound do when you add the to u. D plus U equal to du. D plus U equal to du. Du. And du is pronounced like du in Durga. Durga. Du. 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 Durga. Durga. Alright. Durga is the name of a Indian goddess. Alright. Du. Durga. Let us see how to write du. Okay, and a symbol down below. Yes. Next is do. 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 And you get this sound do when you add d to oo. D plus oo equal to do. D plus oo equal to do. Do. And it is pronounced like D-O-O in doodh. 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 Do is this. Okay. Doodh. Doodh is milk. Okay. Do. Do. Doodh means milk. Okay. Let us see how to write do. Okay. Next is they. 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 And you get this sound they when you add the to a. The plus a equal to they. The plus a equal to they. 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 And they is pronounced like the word they itself. Okay. English word they. T-H-E-Y. They. They. Alright. Let us see how to write they. Okay. Yeah. The next sound is thy. 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 And you get this sound thy when you add the to I. The plus I equal to thy. The plus I equal to thy. And it is pronounced like D-A-I in dhairya. 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 Dhairya means courage. Dhairya. Dhairya. Okay. Dhairya. And dhai is written like this. Okay. Once again. Yes. Next is do. 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 And you get this sound do when you add the to o. The plus o equal to do. The plus o equal to do. Do. And do is pronounced like do in dosa. Do sa. Do sa. And like tho in dos. 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 Dosa is a Indian breakfast. Okay. This is English word dos. Alright. Yeah. Let us see how to write do. Okay. Next is thou. 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 And you get this sound thou when you add the to ow. The plus ow equal to thou. The plus ow equal to thou. 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 And thou is pronounced like D-O-W in daulat. 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 Alright. And thou is written like this. Okay. Next is dum. 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 And you get this sound dum when you add the to D plus equal to dum. D plus equal to dum. Dum. And it is pronounced like THM in rhythm. 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 Alright? Let us see how to write dum. Dum. Okay. Yeah. The last sound is daha. 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 And you get this sound daha when you add d to aha. D plus aha equal to daha. D plus aha equal to daha. Daha. Alright? And daha is written like this. Okay. Yeah. So those are the sounds of d. To recap, we have d plus a equal to d plus a equal to da, d plus e equal to di, d plus e equal to di, d plus u equal to du, d plus u equal to du, d plus a equal to de, d plus I equal to dai, d plus o equal to do, d plus au equal to dau, d plus equal to dum, and d plus aha equal to daha. Alright? So those are the sounds of the. Go ahead and practice writing and pronouncing all the sounds. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.